Hello everyone and welcome back to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Today's feature, actually this week's feature, is going to be all about Tiago Forte. Let me explain. So guys, I thought it would be super cool to invite a productivity expert on to dedicate the attention to them for a full week. So this week, all the videos will be interviews with Tiago Forte. Now, for those who don't know Tiago Forte, I will be doing a little bit of an introduction to him, but the videos are going to be touching on 3 topics. So let's give you a little bit of a background around Tiago. Now, Tiago runs a company called Forte Labs, which is a productivity training company based in San Francisco, and they do a range of different things from online courses to workshops to blogs and books. Now, I actually first bumped into Tiago online when I was actually taking one of his GTD courses on Skillshare, and I honestly fell in love with his teachings and learnings, and I've been following him since the tender age of 16, 17, so it's been a really long time of enjoying his content. Now, he is one of the world's foremost experts on productivity, and he's taught over 20,000 people around the world through his courses and workshops, and I'm sure that number's a lot bigger. Now, his most famed online course is something we talk about, is Building the Second Brain, which is a process and a methodology about building a digital organization system that really lasts and stands the test of time. Now, what I particularly like about our talks is that Tiago always thinks things through thoroughly, so you get really a distilled opinion, and especially when we talk about Notion near the end of this feature, I think you will actually really benefit from it. I am honestly dead excited to post this to you guys, and I think it's going to be hopefully a new era in terms of learning and going deeper with productivity, more than just the tool side of stuff. So the 3 videos that we will be doing will be focusing on the first one, the second brain, and the best tools to implementing that process. The second one will be all about Tiago's Things 3 account and his use. And then the third is all about Notion. We're going to be talking about the application and what we think for the future of productivity applications as well. And I'm super excited to be chatting with him about all of these. This is something that we've never done here on the channel, and I think it'll be quite exciting to dive into the learnings and lessons that Tiago's built over the years. So please do let me know in the comments whether you'd like to see more of this in the future. We're going to be posting the videos on Wednesday, Thursday and Saturday, and I think you'll thoroughly enjoy them. So guys, please do check out all of his work, and I am excited for this week. So guys, I'll talk to you later in the week.